Hello, everyone. This is Michelle Williams. Most of you know me as Coach Michele, coming to you live from the ATL. Today's video is a basic tip that many people miss, and it's in reference to search engine optimization. I had a conversation with someone earlier today, and we were discussing search engine optimization, and she was super excited to be placed on the first page of Google. When someone searched a specific keyword, her agency came up towards the top. Some of you may be like, yay, I can't wait to be on the first page of Google. However, guys, the tip is not all keywords, key phrases are the same. Being on the first page of Google is not the same based on your keyword. Example, you may have a keyword, seniors with a caregiver at home, a phrase. You may have a keyword, keep seniors home care, old people, right? You may just come up with some keywords, or a company you hire may come up with some keywords that are not necessarily searchable with a high volume, meaning not a lot of people are typing in those specific words or those specific keywords. So when you get them and you go and you type it in, guess what? You may come up on the first page. Or when your search engine optimization company or your digital marketer sends you a monthly report and shows that you were not ranking, and now you're on page 10, you're on page 4, and woohoo, you are on page 1, but you're not seeing a return on your investment. You're not seeing any friction. There's no phone calls being made. There's no traction, if you will, and you're wondering why. Well, the reason why is because no one is searching that particular phrase and or that particular keyword. So you have to make sure, so the tip for today is you have to make sure, one, you're researching your digital marketing company to make sure that they are good at what they are selling you. 2, do your due diligence and understand what is search engine optimization, what are keywords, what are phrases and things like that, and what is ranking, what is search volume. So educate yourself before you just arbitrarily go out there and hire the first digital marketer that you find. So now if someone is talking to you, and also about pricing, so that's really important, right? So you want to make sure that you're not simply hiring a digital marketer while you're investing in your search engine optimization based on price, because sometimes you get what you pay for and sometimes you don't, right? So if someone is over here and they're paying $100 a month, and someone's over here paying, $500 to $1,000 a month, and you're wondering why, that's a big difference. They're offering the same service. I'm going to go with this company. Again, this company may be giving you keywords that are not being searched, which means you're not going to really get any new clients or potential calls or any true return on your investment. This company over here may be charging more. They may be giving you a higher search keyword, like, in-home care, home care services, dementia care, senior care. They may giving you more bang for your buck, if you will, right? So you want to make sure you understand that, and you have that understanding after doing your due diligence on what are good keywords, what does search volume mean, and what does it mean to be on the first page? And most of the time, guys, another tip to take is you gotta have patience. You gotta have patience, because guess what? Search engine optimization is not something that happens overnight. You're not gonna get it in the first month, second month, third month. You may get some traction. You may get some clients. You may get some phone calls. However, it truly will take, I would say, on average 6 months, depending on location, depending on the competition, how many people are investing in search engine optimization in your area. However, I would say at least give it 6 months. Personally, I say a year, but most professionals in the digital marketing space will tell you at least 6 months before you really could see some placement in, page 1, 2, and maybe even page, 3 during the 6-month time frame. Again, it depends on how popular those keywords are and the competition in the area. So you want to make sure you do your due diligence so you can have a good conversation, an intelligent conversation, conversation that's going to help you build that firm foundation while you're looking for a digital marketing company to help you. And I'm saying digital marketing, it's a very broad scope. So there's other things that fall under that digital marketing title. However, this video and these tips that I'm sharing are specifically for search engine op, because you spend money to get into the search engine op, get your website search engine optimized, and then you're paying your monthly fee, and then you stop after 3 months. So it's just basically money wasted, right? So you want to make sure that you understand what you're doing and you're at a place in your business and a place mentally as far as your mindset to say, okay, I'm investing this money right now, and I know I need to at least give it 6 months, because so many times, guys, we pull out of situations, we pull out of marketing campaigns right before the breakthrough, right before the dam opens, right? And the water starts to flow, the income starts to flow, the revenue starts to flow, the clients start to flow, the caregivers start to flow, and now we've shut everything down. I shared on my actually one of my VIP clients on our last coaching call, and I briefly touched on it a few days ago on Facebook. One of my clients in Georgia literally started her business, not started, she got her license in September. And she really didn't start the business, but she was in business. She was in nursing school. And then in January, she said, hey, it's been 6 months and I don't have any clients and I'm giving up. I'm stopping. This is the end for me. This is not what I want to do. I just graduated nursing school. I have a job. I'm going to work. And then she said, well, I already paid my rent for February. I'm going to go ahead and just wait it out this 1 month because I've already paid my rent. Okay, let me tell you. She shared her testimonial on our VIP coaching call last week. In 3 months, when she decided in February, she did $115,000 in revenue. And guess what? Now she's averaging $55,000 a month in revenue. What if she would have quit right before the breakthrough? Right before the breakthrough. So I say that and I share that to say, don't quit once you start your search engine optimization or your keyword placements, your Google ads, whatever it is, your business, whatever it is, don't stop if you really believe this is what you're called to do. Guys, if entrepreneurship was easy, we wouldn't have a business because everyone would be an entrepreneur. There would be no clients. There would be no caregivers because everybody would be doing this thing of entrepreneurship, right? Because there's so many ways to make money online, offline, in person, so many different ways. So even if you're a senior at home, guess what? You still can have an online business and have your grandkids run it for you. So we literally would have no clients because everyone would be an entrepreneur if it was easy. So I'm here to tell you, entrepreneurship is not easy. You have to have processes and things in place and have the knowledge, training in order to get where you want to be. One thing I know, is that you have to persevere. You have to have that mental fortitude to say, you know what? I'm not giving up. I am going to continue. I am going to educate myself. I am going to do whatever it is I need to get my business up and running. And guys, I'm going to leave you with this quick little note. Don't give up on your business so fast. Think about, a newborn baby. We're not going to give up on a newborn baby in a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, a year. We're not going to give up on the baby. We're not. As long as we're nourishing the baby, as long as we're taking care of the baby, as long as we're doing what we're supposed to do for the baby will grow. And as the baby grows, guess what? The baby becomes more independent. Exact thing with your business. The more you nurture the business, the more you put into the business mentally, emotionally, financially, spiritually, the more you put into it, the more you are going to get out of it because it is going to become more independent. As you grow, the business is going to grow. And then, of course, you can reinvest some of your revenue into hiring people to work in your business. So, tip, search engine optimization. If somebody is telling you $500 a month, over here, somebody's telling you $100 a month. You got to compare apples to apples. This $100 may be for one keyword. This $500 may be for one keyword. But what keywords or key phrases are they giving you? Ask questions. Ask them, what's the search volume? How many people in my area? Don't tell me nationally. How many people in my area are searching these keywords every month? How many keywords do I get for this dollar amount? Right? So you want to ask questions to make sure. And that's why I said, do your due diligence, go to Google University, learn as much as you can about search engine optimization, so you know what questions to ask. What questions to ask. Because again, you could be on the first page of Google and feel really good about it. But if nobody is typing in mama staying at home and you are on the first page for mama staying at home, guess what? You're going to become frustrated and you're going to say, hey, this is not for me. I've invested money and it's just not for me. It's just that you're not doing the right thing, the right things as far as how to grow the business, right? So just want to drop those nuggets for you guys. I'm going to come live more often and share just simple little tips, quick videos on things that I experience in my business, things that I hear from clients, things that I hear from people that, follow me, reach out to me, and just give you that little burst of knowledge to make you more knowledgeable, if you will, to put you in a better place in your business. So this is Coach Michele coming to you live from the ATL. If you want to learn more about my coaching services, feel free to go to my website, michelleleeellis.com. On Facebook, I am Coach Michele. And don't forget to click the bell, turn on your notifications, and like this video and comment below. And let me know what questions you have. Let me know if you've invested in search engine optimization. What's been your outcome, your feedback, success, continuation, had to switch companies, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. This is Coach Michele coming to you live from the ATL. Take care. God bless.